So today we're taking a look at the JJC Magnetic Phone Grip. This is a grip that you put on your phone once you pair it and set it up. That way you could use the button on there to take pictures and video. Also, it comes out so you can use it as a remote control. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So I just ordered this on Amazon. I think I've seen something similar to this, but it's a different model. I think larger, more expensive. This is the JJC Magnetic Phone Grip. And if I understand it correctly, it's got a little button on there where I could start recording or taking pictures. So I'm going to open it up. And we have a charging cable. Looks like some kind of strap. Another kind of strap. Two straps. Documents. Eventually we'll read it. An actual CD? Really? I don't think I have anything that even reads CDs anymore. Oh no, this is the magnet. I was about to say, I'm like CD. This is a magnetic ring. So if you don't have a case that already has like the MagSafe or something like that, this one's getting scratched up a little bit there. They come with rings. You can stick the ring on any other phone and utilize it. I don't know where I got CD from. 2024. Who messes with CDs anymore? Alright, put this stuff over there. Alright, put that there. So, it doesn't look like there's much to it. Got the magnetic part here. This is supposed to come out. So it's like a little remote control. I guess you just hit the button and stuff. It's got the charging port on the bottom. Quarter 20 for you can put on a tripod or stand. And I believe it's supposed to also be some kind of stand. Yeah, so you could turn it and just have it as a stand. So let's pop it on the phone real quick. Now, this is the top. You could do vertical. Do a vertical grip on there. That's a pretty good magnet on there. And then you got your horizontal. I'll line it up a little bit. And I mean, I guess it's okay. It's pretty small. I would think something with a little bit more grip to it, unless it's just me. I'm not used to these kind of devices. But I mean, it looks like I could hit the button pretty good. And we're going to take it for a run. Go ahead and charge the batteries and test it out. So I paired the device with my phone. You're just using Bluetooth. I had to read the directions. But basically, all you're doing is you go into your settings, make sure you got Bluetooth on and open. You're going to hold the button down for 3 seconds. The light will flicker. You'll see the name, and you just tap on it, and now it's connected with Bluetooth. Now, you have to open up the camera app, and you need to set it for video or photo. Now, I don't know. I literally just did this now, so I don't know if this thing turns off after a while. I'm not seeing any kind of lights on it, but we'll find out. So I'm going to point it just in that direction, hit the button, and it just took the picture. So I guess it just makes it easier to hold and everything. I'm more into the video aspect of it. So yeah, I just hit the button, and now we're recording. So now I could hold it, keep my hand off the screen, and just go around, record a few things. Seems to be stuttering, so I don't know if that's my phone or has something to do with this device. I don't see why it would. My recording just stuttered a few times. Move it around. Hit the button. recording just stopped. So it's nothing too fancy. It's kind of basic, but it's, I guess, a different way, or maybe once I get used to it, a more comfortable way of holding the phone rather than holding it this way. Now, what is nice too is it's got that quarter 20 threading, so you could put this on a tripod, and it is actually a little kickstand there too. So if you want, you could, I guess, kickstand it on the table, flip the camera around, and do a little recording. Probably just pop the remote out in this situation, because I think something like this is really nice, because now I got the remote control in my hand. So not even touching the phone. And now we're recording. So all I did was take the remote out, hit the button. Now we're recording. No reason to touch the phone. So honestly, I like this alone. The case, I guess, is okay, but I could see this working a lot. Line everything up, get your shot ready, just hit the button. So that's going to be it for this. This is I'm going to do another video if I could post it. All right, so I just stopped the recording, so now we're going to go. All right, so I am testing the JJC camera grip. Comes with a removable remote control, so I was just hitting this button to start this recording. So the grip, I guess it's something to get used to. Doesn't feel that great. I would think it would be a little bit more bulky, but it also has a little stand. So right now it's on the stand, and I just took the remote out, and that was it. Click, start recording, and now we're going to stop recording. And I got a little short to send to YouTube. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close the app. Nothing much, nothing fancy with this. It is nice as far as remote. It's got a lot of magnets on there. I guess this part would be to get used to it. But I guess it's better than holding the phone itself, to be honest with you. All right, and that's going to be it. Catch you in the next one.